Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel, The Bong Tourist. So today we are with the all-new 2025 Yamaha FZS Hybrid, and let's see what has Yamaha updated in this bike and start our video. So our first point is design and build quality. Yamaha has added a lot of new features to this FZS Hybrid. Let me show you that. So the FZS Hybrid shares the same headlight design as the FZS version 4, which gets all LED headlight, LED DRLs, LED indicators and LED tail light. But the only difference in the hybrid is now the front indicators have been integrated into the tank for better aerodynamics, which gives a premium look to this bike, and the rest front, back and profile of the bike remains the same as the version 4. So this is the look of the new integrated indicators. In terms of safety, this bike comes with a add-on hazard switch. So apart from having a beautiful integrated indicator, this bike is now available in two striking colors, which is the racing blue and this one the cyan metallic gray. So let's move on to the next point. The FZS Hybrid shares the same engine with the FZS previous versions, which is a 149cc single cylinder air cooled engine which produces up to 12.4 HP at around 7250 rpm and 13.3 Nm of torque at around 5500 rpm. Enhancing and focusing on performance, FZS Hybrid now comes with a Yamaha's smart motor generator SMG and stop and start system SSS. The SMG provides battery assisted acceleration, which means when the engine needs more power, the battery will help to generate the extra power, thereby improving fuel efficiency. The engine is paired by a 5-speed manual transmission so that it will give you proper balance in the city and a confident feel in the highway. Let's listen to its exhaust note. So, as I told you earlier, the Yamaha FZS comes with a SSS, which means a silent start. The crank of the start, which we usually found in the previous version of FZ, is now missing in this one. It has a silent start. And let's move on to the next point, dimensions. So the FZS Hybrid gets a total length of around 2000 mm, width is 780 mm, seat height is 790 mm, wheelbase is 1330 mm, ground clearance is 165 mm and with a curb body weight of 138 kg and has a fuel tank capacity of 13 liters. And company claimed mileage is now been increased to 57.3 kmph. The FZS Hybrid gets a 41 mm telescopic fork and a 7-step preload adjustable monoshock suspension at rear, 17-inch alloy wheels both front and rear, and a tire size of 180 section tubeless tires at front and 140 by 60 section tubeless tires at rear, and these tires are from C8 Zoom tires. So apart from the attractive color, Yamaha has also upgraded its instrument cluster and given it some new technologies. So let's check it out. So now the FZS Hybrid gets a very beautiful colorful TST display with the Yamaha animation on it, and there are modes as you can see: average fuel consumption, and here are the settings: music, navigation, turn by turn navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and many more data is available here. So as we come to the end of this video, to the next point, which is braking. So the FZS Hybrid is equipped with pretty good braking system for safety, as it gets 282 mm disc at front and 220 mm disc at rear. But I'm very disappointed about this fact that Yamaha is still providing the FZ versions with single channel ABS. Yes, regarding the price or the updates Yamaha has given to this bike, they are still providing single channel ABS. Also, the FZS Hybrid has traction control, which enhances stability, preventing excessive wheel spin on slippery surfaces. So the main point is the pricing. Now the FZS Hybrid comes at a price range of 1,33,700, which is ex-showroom Kolkata, and the on-road price will be around 1,66,000 something. So overall, according to my perspective, Yamaha's engine in terms of the FZS have been more refined and very smooth. My ride experience with this bike was very good, and the features also are very modern, and especially the integrated indicators look very beautiful to this bike's aesthetics. We will give the location of the Yamaha showroom in the description. You can check it out, and thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel, The Bong Tourers. Ride safe.